think he wants to communicate.
Hey, mister!
You got the time?
As a matter of fact, I do, Cubby.
You wanna take him?
Look at that!
It's exactly 2 seconds before I honk your nose and pull your underwear over your head.
Get right up here! Don't be shy! Nobody likes a Beth Leatherhead! Move it! For my first trick, I'd like to do something for you, son. We have a giraffe. There you go, son. Now get out of here. You're bothering.
Wow.
Now. Sorry, wrong pocket. For you, son! A little body English. A French poodle. Sorry, son. The dog was rabid. Had to put it down. And last but not least, my favorite. A Tommy gun!
This is incredible. With these powers, I could be a superhero! I could fight crime, protect the innocent.
Work for world peace!
But first,